Let's take a look at how to insert images in a Google Doc. So I want to put an image right here above my title just to kind of spice this up and illustrate this lesson. So I have my cursor right where I want to place this image. And I'm going to go to Insert and then Image. Now Google Doc gives you lots of great options for ways that different ways you can insert an image. You can upload it from your computer. You can take a picture. So if you wanted to put your own picture in there, you could take it right here with your webcam and have it go straight into Google Docs. If you have an image URL from the web, you can paste that in and pull in the image that way. This is from your Google albums if you want to reference those, your Google photo albums. Google Drive, if you have images stored there, you can get pictures straight from there and bring them in. Or, I love this, you can do a Google search right here within in one step. Instead of finding a Google image and then saving it to your computer and then uploading it, you can do that all in one step. So let's take a look at that first. Another reason why I love this option, it shows you right here that the results shown are labeled for commercial reuse with modification. In other words, any images that you find by this method, you have copyright permission to use, which is a really big deal. If you're just doing a general Google search, there's a really strong chance that whatever images you find, you don't have authorization to use, and technically you are using them illegally. So this is a really good way to insert your images. So I'm just going to search for the word summer. Let me see what I'm just going to pick this one. So when I find an image that I like, I'm just going to select it so that it's got a blue mark around it and a check mark, and then click select. It's going to put that image right into my document. Now, I think that's kind of too big, so I can click on this and I can drag the corners or the sides. I can make it smaller. I can also double click on it and crop it if I want to do that. And there's actually, when you click on this, you get all kinds of other menu options, lots of things you can do with borders and things like that, even changing the colors and things a little bit. So that's one way. Also, I can change the wrap settings so that it wraps the text around it. Or is inline or breaks the text. So you have those options as well. Let me quickly delete this and show you how to do the same thing with an image from your computer. Insert, image. This time I'm going to go to upload. Let's say that I do have an image saved on my computer that I want to use. I'm going to go to the upload. You can drag it into this window from your computer, or I can click to choose my image. I have it on my desktop. Double clicked it there, and then I can do the same sort of things to make it the way I want it to be. So those other options all work in essentially the same way. You're going to, you have to give it permission. This one you're going to paste a URL in. This is going to pull from your Google Photos, and this is going to help you find things in your Google Drive. They all work the same way. You click the image and click select, and it'll go right into your doc.